Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the stain so you choose the right method. Once you know it's oil, ink, rust, or organic, you can act. Wet the rubber with warm water and apply a small amount of mild detergent, then scrub gently with a soft brush to lift surface grime. Make sure to test any stronger cleaner on a hidden patch for 30 to 60 seconds. That prevents discoloration and shows whether the rubber reacts. Once the surface grime is gone, treat the stain specifically. For oil, apply concentrated dish soap and work in with circular strokes, blotting spilled residue as you go to avoid spreading. For ink, dab 70% isopropyl alcohol with a microfiber cloth. Lift instead of rubbing to avoid embedding dye. For rust, make a paste of lemon juice and salt, apply, and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before gently brushing. Then rinse thoroughly to stop further corrosion. You finish by rinsing the treated area thoroughly and drying with a microfiber towel so moisture doesn't attract dirt. Once dry, apply a rubber protectant or silicone spray to restore flexibility and appearance. This also slows resoiling. If a stain remains, repeat the targeted step or make a gentle paste of baking soda and water as a mild abrasive. If nothing works, consider professional cleaning. But first try repeating treatments and testing on a hidden spot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.